Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Palantir stock and let's take a look, well, at its price action and going into this next week. What are the levels to watch? Can we expect much more moves on this to the upside, or is it gonna slow down? Like, how do we prepare ourselves for Palantir going into the next week, right? So let's talk about all of that. And if you have already seen my video on Palantir, the last weekend that I did, Palantir stock S&P 500 effect, I talked about it. And I mentioned how Palantir is just bullish. And I talked about this thing can just continue up. And it's just has been continuing up, guys. So we had what? Almost, yeah, this was a continuation of the breakout to the upside, continued higher. And so far also right now we are still in the bullish structure. So, and well, let me show you that as well. So if I turn on my easy day and swing trading tool, structure is still full on bullish on Palantir overall structure. Now, there are a couple of things on Palantir that I have been talking about, and we'll soon get to the areas what we are watching going into this next week, right? And you can see on the weekly interval, guys, we are full on bullish, all right? There is just no questioning it, right? Higher highs, higher lows. And right now, yes, it's an extension, but this was an expected extension. And I talked about it, how we can hit these levels to the upside. Now, the next level was, let me actually adjust on my tool as well here, my indicator, the timeline. Let's go back, take it back all the way to the past. Other levels will also show up. So the level, at least for this particular week that we were targeting, was this right up here, significant level marked by my tool, $37.32. We precisely hit that level, a little bit slowing down, but as I showed you, structure is still technically bullish, right? It's full on bullish. So what are the next levels to watch? Well, as if we break above $37.34, it opens up the door to $39.26. All right, that's the next leg up that we can possibly go up to. Is that likely going to happen, or is it going to slow down? Well, so far, as I showed you on the daily interval, structure is bullish. Even on hourly interval, things so far are still looking good to me. We are, we went through some consolidation. I get that, right? At that significant level, look at that spike that just came, right? At that significant level, it slowed down a little bit, right? And you can see that we lost a little bit of that pivot here, but it has regained that back up again. This was the level pretty much $36.45. Since getting above it is fine. So these lower pivots that started to form, right? It has already taken out those pivots, and we already have a new pivot formed, and it's going for the test of again $37.35. Guys, structure is full on bullish. If any weakness would be on this, well, it will first have to start to lose $36.44 again. Otherwise, no, yeah, it's looking really good for the continuation of the breakout, and that is breaking above $37.35 is going to open up the doors for it to go all the way to $39.20. So yeah, that's the next level technically, $39.20. Let's take a look at the short volume data. How is that been coming so far, right? So let's see that. Let's go to my tool, display short volume percent data, and surprisingly enough, shorts, well, not that much, guys, but it's fine, yeah. Like I have seen Palantir high as well, like 30 plus short percent as well. It's fine, it's nothing, but yes, it's relatively higher than the last couple of days. That's why that slowness is there. But then you can see today it's just negating all of that, right? And that's the problem now for the short sellers. Because now these short sellers, as they were trying to come into the extensions at that significant level, as if you break this level out and above 37 and 35 cents, all these short sellers will start going to cover their position. That's going to add more, the fuel to the fire, right? And that's why these levels trading is so important. All right, let's turn that off. And so, yeah, guys, still full on bullish. I'm not seeing any signs of weakness. Structure is relatively very, I gave you the level. If the weakness would have to come, it will have to lose those levels that I gave you on the hourly interval. And if we take a look at that again, so first level of weakness would start to come if we lose this level like 36 and 44 cents. Otherwise, no, we are fine. And then we can also find a good support at 35 and 20 eventually. To put it simply, Palantir is bullish, right? Let's take a look at 5 minutes as well before wrapping up. And today was also a good day. Let's see my tool, easy day and swing trading tool. Yep, structure pretty much remained bullish. So early on we opened bullish, came back down a little bit there, but only for 3 candles, and then thereafter structure remained bullish from all the way up there until there. A little bit of slowdown, and then you can see when the structure turned here bullish again, right? And wow, look at this last couple of minutes of candles, right, on Palantir, and it's just being, yeah, there's still just shy of 3 minutes left for market to close, but look at this massive move being coming in on Palantir right up from their next leg up as well. If you need access to these tools of mine that helps you in identifying the structure, how to trade, what to do, links to my tools are in the description of this video. All right, well, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful or valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.